Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Shruti Chimir Pradhan. My father's name is Rohit Kumar Pradhan. My mother's name is Kalyani Pradhan. I am a student of Kendra Vidyalaya both, studying in class 10th. So, welcome to the Gyan Prakash Educational YouTube channel. I was participated in the elocution competition and I was also selected here. So, please watch my video and like, share and comment on this, and also subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Thank you. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has become the tagline for all the Indian citizens. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has started this campaign on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, that is on 2nd October. And it was the most awarded project he has started. He has officially announced this project on the year of 2014. Moreover, this is one of the many campaigns that drew the attention of millions of people and got its acknowledgement in the national level. This campaign has covered all the sectors of India and also even influenced the film industry. The main aim of this campaign that drives this was to make every region of India free of open defecation. It can lie anywhere, whether it's rural or urban regions of India. The main objective of this campaign is to make encourage to the habit of cleanliness and maintenance of hygiene at all the public and private places, whether it's roads, streets, offices, homes, public infrastructures, or anything across the whole of the country. We also keep it clean. Additionally, the best side of this campaign is to give importance to the cleanliness and to the building of toilets in schools and colleges along with public places. I'm pretty sure that everyone understands the one difference between the level of cleanliness in between our India and the other Western nations. Now I have a question for everyone. Don't you think at times why the countries are so clean, sane and well maintained? The answer must be yes. Of course, we have to learn a lot of things from the other Western nation and to being with the same path. If we want to see our country's name in the list of the developed nations in the world, then we have to make this campaign successful. This was the most significant cleanliness and sanitation campaign in the world that our government conduct this in a national scale. Additionally, over 3 million public personnel, including schools and college students, had already become a part of this campaign. The main intention of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is to clean 4,041 towns and cities of our country. And a jaw-dropping budget of 1.96 lakh crores, that is around $31 billion, that is only meant for the Clean India campaign. Many women living in rural regions of India, they face open defecation daily. These women have no choice, that's why they defecate in the open areas. And some of the noticeable situations like building of toilets, more and more toilets in the various rural regions of India. The campaign of cleanliness is the conduct not only to bring, not only to gain the energy in among the people, but also to bring some changes in sweeping for the betterment of our society. So, to solve all the problems I had told you before, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has started and got its recognition at the national level. Besides this campaign has swiftly taken our country to the healthier and cleaner tomorrow. So, also our people of our country are contributing now to the main motto of our country, to keeping our country clean and well maintained. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.